In this video, I'll explain whether ExpressVPN is worth it for casual internet users, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer. If you want a faster, more reliable, and fully featured VPN while following along, NordVPN is an excellent alternative. You can find the link in the description to try it at a great price. For most casual users, daily online activities include browsing social media, watching YouTube, streaming movies or shows, shopping online, sending emails, gaming, and sometimes using public Wi-Fi in cafes, airports, hotels, or campuses. ExpressVPN is built to make all of that faster, safer, and easier without you having to configure anything complicated. ExpressVPN has over 100 server locations in 105 countries. Now, it may not have the highest total number of countries compared to other VPNs, but where it does stand out is in the United States. If you type USA in the Locations menu, you'll see a huge list of servers in almost every major state, and often multiple servers per location. That's very useful for streaming and gaming, because having more server options means you're more likely to connect to one that works best for speed and stability. If one server is slow, blocked, or having issues, you can instantly switch to another nearby. This is especially helpful for streaming content libraries that are bigger in the US, like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and Hulu. With ExpressVPN, you can quickly connect to a US location and access the full catalog without buffering or slowdowns. If you're gaming, choosing the closest US server can reduce ping and keep your connection smooth. Installing ExpressVPN is extremely simple. Download the app, log in, and you'll see a big Connect button and a location picker. You can either let the app automatically choose the fastest server for you, or select a specific location manually. Within seconds, your internet connection becomes encrypted and private. Now let's talk about security, one of the strongest reasons people pick ExpressVPN. It uses RAM-only servers, which means no user data is permanently stored. Every system reboot wipes the server clean. On top of that, ExpressVPN has undergone more independent third-party audits than almost any other major VPN. Their no-logs policy has been verified by multiple external security firms, including KPMG. ExpressVPN is also based in the British Virgin Islands, a privacy-friendly location outside of the 9th of May 2014 EYES surveillance alliances. That gives users an extra level of protection, as they aren't legally required to store or share user data with governments. For everyday users who aren't cybersecurity experts, all of this means one simple thing: you stay safe online without needing to know anything technical. Even on public Wi-Fi, in airports, coffee shops, hotels, and restaurants, hackers can't intercept your passwords, messages, or personal data. ExpressVPN also includes important security features like a kill switch that instantly cuts your internet connection if the VPN drops, so your real IP address is never exposed. And because the service is lightweight and optimized, it doesn't slow down your device while browsing or streaming. Now, it's true that ExpressVPN is not the cheapest option out there. Services like Surfshark or even NordVPN often cost less on long-term plans. But ExpressVPN focuses on quality, performance, privacy, and stability, and many users feel the higher price is justified. So, is ExpressVPN worth it for casual internet users? If you want a VPN that is extremely fast, simple, secure, private, and especially reliable for streaming and connecting to US friend servers, then yes, ExpressVPN is definitely worth it. If you want a faster, more reliable, and fully featured VPN while following along, NordVPN is an excellent alternative. You can find the link in the description to try it at a great price.